2011 nang bumili ng bahay ang mag-asawang Joey at Bing sa Vallejo, California.
But the house is too big for us. It's a 4-bedroom house. So, tumira lang kami sa apartment and then pinaupahan namin yung bahay.
Konting panahon lang ang lumipas at nalaman ng mag-asawa kung anong klaseng mga tao ang umupa sa kanilang bahay.
Nashock ako nung makita ko yung bahay. Talagang almost bumagsak ako sa floor nung makita ko eh. Nakakaawa. Talagang literally it was trash. Talagang the doors were down, yung ports, yung bagsak in the floor, yung mga ganon. And then when I went inside, everything was dirty. The bathroom especially. They have a big dog. And I think that big dog did all the damage there. That was my first investment in California, in the United States for that matter. And ganun ang nangyari.
I was so mad na there were some people who could do such a thing.
Wala akong sinabi. Parang kumbaga sabi sa atin, iiyak mo na lang, pasa Diyos mo na lang. Inisip ko paano may bebenta itong bahay ng maayos?
Buti na lang, napanood ni Joey sina Rob and Ning sa dating palabas na Get Real sa The Filipino Channel.
Nagkataon din naman na nakita ko nga sa TV yung palabas nila na Rob and Ning. Yun nga, nakontak ko sila yung sa Get Real. Yun nga, iniisip ko, hindi ito mabebenta ng maganda eh. Pero you know what? Hindi ko alam kung anong nagawa nilang ng Rob and Ning team na ibenta ng maganda. Would you believe nakakuha pa ako ng, siguro, dahil nga sa equity risk, siguro, nagkaroon pa ako ng cash na about 50,000.
Ay nako, alam mo, tuwan-tuwa ako talaga yung bang, hindi ka makapaniwala na meron palang mga taong ganon na napakagaling tumulong. Humingi kami ng tulong, kinwento ng asawa ko yung nangyari doon sa bahay. Tapos they did everything. Lahat talaga. Oo, napakagaling nila talaga.
Ito na rin yung panahon na pinag-isipan ng mag-asawa na lumipat sa Las Vegas.
Mas mababa yung nakuha kong sweldo rito, but then, mas mababa naman ang cost of living dito.
I like the weather. The people are friendlier. There are fun things to do here, and you hardly get bored. A lot of restaurants to eat at. It's more fun here in Vegas.
Nakita din kung gaano kalaki ang diferensya ng halaga ng real estate kumpara sa Bay Area.
Napakaluma ng bahay yan eh. More than 20 years na yata yun. Tapos nakuha kong bahay rito, built 2006. Ang presyo niya kalahati lang. I bought the house in North Las Vegas and my work is here in South Las Vegas. So that's about 30 minutes lalalo kung may traffic pa. No? So I decided na paupahan na lang muna yung bahay. Anyway, that's a 4-bedroom house. Parang kumbaga I just prepared it for the coming of my children. And then umupo na lang kami ng apartment, which is just across the fence doon sa aking trabaho. Kabila lang gano'n. Kumbaga tatalon lang ako ng bakod na doon ako sa trabaho.
At sa loob lamang ng maikling panahon, nakinabang na kaagad sina Joey at Bing.
I was able to do a cash-out refinance na solve yung problema ko sa pangangailangan sa pera sa family ko and also for us here. Naandun pa rin yung bahay, intact, and the price is still good. My mortgage is still good, still manageable. So, kumbaga I would say it's a win-win.
Dati nagkagutay-gutay ang mga pangarap. Salamat kina Rob and Ning. Ngayon, napaghahandaan na ni Bing at Joey ang kinabukasan ng buong pamilya.
We were expecting my kids to be here around next year. I, for one, would retire in Vegas. And hopefully, I can support my family here, help them establish a life here. Hopefully, we can all grow up here and live here forever. From Vallejo to here in Vegas, we got all the help we needed all the way. From selling the property to buying the property here, they were all there. Yeah, I can't thank them enough. Hindi ko kulang yung salita na pasasalamat eh. I will be forever grateful to Rob and Ning for their help, for what they've done to us.
I really am very truly grateful to Rob and Ning for helping us and giving us the opportunity to prosper here in the States. It's because of Rob and Ning. Thank you so much.